I was in my college calc class yesterday intensely taking notes when I began to realize that for the past week or so, my Apple Pencil 2nd generation has been kind of acting up, not performing as it should be or like it did when I first got it. The tip hasn't been making the best contact with the screen. It feels kind of shorter. My lines sometimes occasionally break. And like I said, this wasn't offering the same buttery experience I remember when I first bought this in July. And speaking of July, that made me realize I've been using this Apple Pencil with this particular tip for the past 6.5 or so months, every day for about 30 minutes, even more so since school began. Although writing with the Apple Pencil is an incredibly smooth experience, I mean, you are dragging a plastic tip over a glass screen, there still is friction going on, and with friction comes erosion over time. And it's not like I didn't know what replacement tips were, I just didn't think I'd be considering one at this point in my iPad Pro Apple Pencil ownership, and I thought I was kind of going crazy. I was like, like maybe I'm just fatigued, maybe I'm sick of writing notes. I take a lot of notes in my calc class and my econ class, so I'm like, maybe I'm just being finicky. But then I looked closer at the tip of my Apple Pencil 2nd Gen that I've been using for a couple months, and I noticed a little indent at the very tip here. Like sort of a little gray dot at the very tip. And I was like, So I looked at the tip of my 1st generation Apple Pencil that I hardly use, and lo and behold, it doesn't have it. And by the way, both of these pencils use the same tips, so it's not like this is like a new design or something. So this little indentation is definitely the result of my own extended usage with this pencil, with this particular tip. And I know this is kind of a duh moment, but if you compare the two tips here, the used one and the basically brand new one up close, although with the naked eye you cannot tell too much apart from them, if you look really closely, the tip of the used one that I've been using for the past 6 months looks definitely worn down and a lot flatter, whereas the basically brand new one looks pointy and more smooth, and it looks like it'll have less of a problem gliding across the glass display of the iPad. So yeah, no usage means no friction, less erosion, and vice versa. Duh. But maybe this is all in my head, maybe my eyes are deceiving me. I write with this pencil every day, no problem, and even though there are a couple skips and breaks, maybe that's just the fault of the software, I don't know. So I decided to swap the tips here just to see if it made any, discernible difference feel-wise. And lo and behold, things are smoother with the replaced tip. Duh, right? But still, when you use this device for hours a week for writing, you don't notice the slow erosion because it's like your hair growing. Like, it changes so slowly. It takes a while for you to notice any major difference, and that was what was happening to me this past week. I just noticed that my Apple Pencil wasn't performing as well as it could be. And yeah, basically what I'm saying here is that if you do a ton of writing and drawing with the iPad Pro or iPad with the Apple Pencil, I would say change your tip out every 6 months. It will make a difference in your whole writing experience. Your experience will be more balanced and more accurate. And if you're seeing any occasional hiccups, like breaks in your lines or like the tip is not registering with the screen properly, a new tip will definitely do the trick. And you can pick up 4 from the Apple Store or Amazon for about $20. And I worked that out. If you use 4 over the course of 2 years, that works out to be around 2.7 cents a day, which honestly sounds cheaper than using lead or inks. So I don't know, do the math, maybe prove me right or wrong. But that's not a horrible cost considering the utility that you get with this if you are using this to draw for a living or take notes in school like I do. And that about wraps things up here. I hope this video was helpful. It's kind of an obvious concept, but still, I had not thought about replacing my tip on my Apple Pencil up until I started noticing the wear and tear I had put on it. So yeah, definitely check up on yours, see if your Apple Pencil tip is in tip-top shape, and if it's not, then replace it. Otherwise, you're not gonna be having the best Apple Pencil experience you can have. I would really appreciate it if you leave a like on this video, comment if you have any questions, suggestions, or opinions, and subscribe for more content like this. And as always, I'm Noah, and I will catch you all in the next one.